Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear printer queue or print spool on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type services, open it, and you need to search for service guys, print spooler. For that, you click anything here and type print print. Here we get print spooler. Double click on it, and startup type is automatic. You just need to turn this to click on it and click disabled and apply and OK. After that, you just need to close out of here guys. So the reason we are disabling a print spooler is because we need to delete the queue of the printer guys, so that only we are disabling that. For just now, for a second, go to start button and right click on it and go click on run. In here you need to type spool, click type spool and click OK. Here opens up file explorer file guys. In here you need to double click on the printers guys. Here you will have all the queue. You need to select them and delete it. All this will clear the print spooler guys. Just print queue and print queue. After deleting it, close out of here, and you just need to go back again to the service guys. Go to search menu and type services. In here you need to search for print spooler. Click anything here and print spooler service and click startup type to automatic and apply and OK. Now we are cleared the print queue and the spooler queue in this video guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.